what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jack Skellington as a surprised face. It's one of his expressions. I'm going to go over almost every single expression I can find on Jack Skellington's face. Nightmare Before Christmas is a huge influence on me, so I really want to go over this. So anyways, let's get into it. You're going to start with a circle. It doesn't have to be like an exact circle. It can be kind of more of an oval. It can be more of an oval, so just kind of be aware of that. It doesn't have to be exact. It can be more like a wide egg, or it can be even wider at the bottom. I am going to throw an egg shape inside for the eye. Shape for the other eye. Gonna fill that in. Hopefully you're following step by step. It's pretty simple stuff, I think, this one. I'm gonna throw 2 dots for the nose. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a little bit more of a circle down here as well. He's going to be surprised. And I'm going to fill that in as well. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to throw those stitches he has on that mouth. And that's pretty much it. Really simplistic, you know, very easy face. He's got a great design. I think that's one of the reasons that lends to him being such a classic character now. But yeah, I hope you found that easy. If you found it easy enough, and if you're a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, hit that like button. Also share the video to, you know, just for the joy of Halloween/Christmas stuff. So, alright, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you probably tomorrow. See you later.